guys, and welcome again to What is Your Hobby. In today's session, we'll be making some paper jewelries. I'll be using only the basic coils that we have learned earlier in the previous tutorial. If you haven't, check the link in the description. And now if you're ready, then let's get started. Hi guys, for this session, let's make some fun ring jewelry. You'll need some quilling strips, quilling needle, googly eyes, glue, and ring holder. If your material is ready, let's get started. First, let's make a fun Angry Bird finger ring. For that, take 5 mm yellow quilling strips. Then start quilling the strip. The strip I'm using here is around 40 cm per strip. Apply little glue and add the second quilling strip. Continue with the quill. Again, add the last third strip and continue the process. Remove the coil and secure it with glue. Apply coat of glue on the coil and leave it to dry. While we wait for it to dry, take 40 cm orange strip for big. Fold the strip into half and cut out 20 cm. Take the strip and make a coil, securing the end with glue. In the same manner, take another 40 cm dark green strip and cut it into half. Fold the same 20 cm strips into half and cut the strip, making it 10 cm each. Roll the 10 cm strip into a coil. Before securing the coil, let it unfold a little. Pinch and bend the coil till you get leaf-like shape and repeat the process. Let's assemble the parts now one by one. Use orange coil for big. Add the googly just above the big. Next, we add the wings. Leave it to dry for some time. Use a 3 mm strip and cut out 2 little rectangles for eyebrows. Place it just above the googly eyes. For this next part, use ring holder, and in case if you don't have one, don't worry, I'll show you how you can make without it. But first, let's paste this one. Keep it aside to let it dry. So guys, now I'll show you how you can make ring without ring holder. Here, I have 5 mm quilling strip. Use your finger for measurement. Leave a little space. Apply glue on the tip and roll the coil to make a ring. After you're done with the ring, apply some glue on the side so your ring is more durable. Set aside to dry. Like how we make the previous coil with 3 strips, for the second one here, add 6 strips to make a big tight coil. Take 20 cm 3 mm orange strip and make a coil. Make a coil in a teardrop shape and bend the tip. Pinch the tip till you get it pointy this way. And now for assembling the parts, repeat the same process of the first part. Again, follow the same style we used for the first bird to make wings. Make 2 more of these. In total, we need 3. Assemble the wings in this order. Go ahead and add Angry Bird on the ring and let it dry for some time. You can also add a small strip of paper this way so that your ring won't fall off easily. Keep the ring aside to dry. While we wait, I'm going to make another super easy ring. Start by quilling a tight coil of 3 mm strip of 20 cm. Use the tight coil to make a diamond-shaped coil by pressing the fingers close to each other. So guys, all the rings got dried, and here we have fun Angry Birds ring. I hope you enjoy making this simple and easy fun ring with me today. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching. You can definitely try out your own version of paper jewelries. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on because more exciting contents are on the way. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!